What's up, guys? So I was bored today. It's Monday and not much going on. Decided to clean some shoes. While I had them all out cleaning, I figured I'd do a little video and we'll kind of rank them from most protective to least protective from the years that I've experienced. These are just some of what I've owned. These are the ones that I decided to keep, except for these. These are for sale if anybody wants to buy them. So yeah, we'll get into it. So first, as most of you know from my channel, I also ride enduro dirt bikes. So from all the boots that I've tried, these City Crossfires are some of the absolute best boots. So it's the inner boot inside this, and the best thing about these is it's hinged right here. So as you move and shift and walk, you have a nice little hinge here. So they're super comfortable. They do make one with an enduro sole that's interchangeable. I'm not a big fan of those. These soles have been on here for maybe 2-3 years. They're holding up pretty good. Obviously don't walk that much in them. And on the side of that, then we have my wife's boots. She doesn't ride nearly as much, doesn't do as much gnarly stuff, so ankle protection wasn't as important for her. These are just your standard O'Neill boots. The problem with these is they move side to side. Yeah, they're very flexible this way, they're comfortable to walk in, but you can twist your ankle with these. With this hinge right here, since it's solid mounted plastic, your ankle can't flop around. So that's the dirt bike stuff. These run, I think these are like $100 and these are like $600. Another thing with these is every single piece on this is replaceable. So each latch, everything screws on and off, and then you can get these resold. With these, I don't think you can get them resold, but as you see, like if there's damage or anything, you can't replace it. So that's enough for the dirt bike stuff. Now the street bike stuff. So before I got into Indians, I mainly only rode crotch rockets. So I've had a bunch of different pairs of boots. So we'll take these over here. So these are Dainese, I want to say D1 Pros. I can't quite remember. It's been a long time since I bought these. But these are super comfortable. So there's actually a slipper inside this boot, and then to adjust it around your ankles, you just use this Velcro. Like the City boots over there, these also have a hinge joint, so it helps your ankle rigidity, sorry. And as you can see when you walk, so they're super comfortable walking. You can walk on these all day long, and they're super cool. I think they make a different set that's perforated, I can't remember, but everything's mesh up here. They also make a low-rise set, which I did have before these. It's basically like a sneaker, and it just doesn't have this stuff. And then they make another one without, so I think it's all mesh up here without this plastic piece. But as far as aggressive street riding, these are my go-to. My old go-to used to be these. So I had a set of these for male, obviously, but these are my wife's, as you can see with the little script here. These are also very comfortable. So there's Velcro here, and then your zipper down here. So this completely opens up and your foot slides right in, and then you control the tightness of your calf up here with this Velcro. I had a pair of these, and I sold those to buy those Dainese ones. These are still good. These are relatively cheap versus these Pros over here. But these are my go-to for when I'm riding the FTR and I put my leathers on, obviously, because your leathers go inside here. Down the line we have our touring boots. So these still offer some protection. These are the Gore-Tex touring boots. Still have your latch here for your ankle support. Just your typical Gore-Tex touring boot, so nothing very special there. And then we get into riding sneakers. So like I said, this pair is for sale. I think it's a size 10. They fit more like a 10.5. But this is TCX. It's an Italian company. And with these riding sneakers, you have this big bolstered steel plate right here on your ankle on either side, and then a bolstered sole. So they look like normal sneakers. You can wear these into work and wear them all day and you're perfectly fine, no issues there. I'll get to why I'm selling these. My wife also had the exact same pair, same exact thing, TCX. It's got your ankle bolsters in there, same sole and everything. She loves these, so she actually wears these more than she wears those. These are more comfortable from day-to-day riding. And I'm selling these because then I bought these. So these are the brand from Indian, and it also has the exact same same metal plate right here, both sides, and a similar sole. These are a little bit more pliable, so I'd say they're slightly more comfortable than these. As you can see, not quite as pliable over here. I think 50 bucks takes these. I never really wore them. Price wise, I want to say these were like 150 bucks and new, and I think these were like 120, 130, so very similarly priced. But these were Indian brand, and so I bought these when I got my FTR. And my newest boot I have are these whites. So these are a collaboration with Ride 509 and White Boots. So these are 100% American made and have a nice sole. They do not have ankle protection, but everything else feels fairly sturdy on them with a nice thick sole. These I bought right before I did my Challenger trip down in North Carolina. So after about 2,000 miles of riding, just some black smooch on there from my shifter. If I had a metal shifter, that probably wouldn't have happened. But super comfortable. These were the only shoes I wore all week. Feet were fine, didn't sweat, overly sweat. Very happy with these. The braking with these was nice. It didn't get any calluses on the back of my heel or anything like that. So I'm very pleased with these. So these whites replace these set of Danners. So these were normally my go-to riding boot for like the Challenger and going to bike nights and stuff like that. These are extremely flexible. They don't offer really that much protection. Again, there's no ankle protection here, and the sole's fairly flimsy. These breaking in were kind of a pain. I did get blisters from breaking these in for a couple weeks. Also American made. But overall, I'm very happy with currently what I have, except those that are for sale if you want to buy them. But yeah, just a little boot reveal for anybody that wants to get into more aggressive stuff, semi-aggressive stuff, touring, just street riding, and your bike night, going to a restaurant or something like that. And these boots work well. Thanks, guys.